One of the toughest decisions CIOs face today is this. Do we upgrade our existing Oracle systems or do we rebuild everything from scratch? And the stakes are really high. Millions of dollars, years of efforts, business continuity risks. But here's the reality. Most organizations do not get this decision right. In this video, I'll break down when to upgrade and when to rebuild using real enterprise patterns. Let's start with the obvious question. Why modernize at all? Across Oracle environments, whether it's forms, EBS, or legacy databases, we consistently see systems built 10 to 20 years ago. High maintenance costs, limited scalability on cloud, difficult integrating with modern apps. In fact, 60% of IT budgets in large enterprises go into maintaining legacy systems. Only 40% goes into innovation. That's the real problem. Modernization is not about technology. It's about freeing up capacity for growth. Now, let's get specific. When does upgrading make sense? Upgrades is the right approach when core system is stable, business logic is working well, no major functional gaps. You do not need reinvention, just improvements. Second is customizations are manageable, limited or well documented custom code, and then it can be migrated or optimized. And the third is time to value is critical. You need faster results, lower distribution to business operations, and the typical outcomes of upgrades are 30 to 50% faster implementation, 40 to 60% lower cost versus rebuild, minimal business disruption. And one of the example is moving from Oracle Forms to Oracle Apex or upgrading EBS to latest versions. Upgrade is about extending the life of what already works. Now let's talk about the harder decision. When should you rebuild from scratch? Rebuild becomes necessary when system is over customized, heavy modification over the years, no clear documentation, difficult to maintain or upgrade, and business needs have changed. New digital channels have come up, need for real data, modern user experience expectations, and then technology is the limitation, not cloud compatible, performance bottlenecks, integration challenges. In these cases, upgrades cost often reaches 70 to 80% of rebuild cost, but still does not solve the core limitation. That's when rebuilding is the smarter long term move. Rebuild is about reimagining the system for the future. Now, here's what every CIO worries about. What if we make the wrong choice? Because both paths carry risk. Upgrade risks, carrying forward legacy limitations, missing long term transformation opportunity, rebuild risks, high cost, longer timelines, business disruptions. The biggest risk is not choosing wisely. It's choosing without a structured evaluation. So let me give you a simple decision framework you can apply. Ask these three questions. First is, if upgrade cost is 60 to 70% of rebuild, consider rebuild. Second is business alignment. If system cannot support future business needs, then rebuild. If it still aligns, then upgrade. Complexity and risk. High customization plus poor documentation is rebuild. Structured, stable system is upgrade. Bonus inside is hybrid approach. In many enterprises, the best solution is upgrade critical systems, rebuild high impact modules. This hybrid model reduces risk and cost while enabling gradual transformation. This is what most successful CIOs are doing today. Here's the key takeaway. Modernization is not a technical decision. It's a business strategy decision. Upgrade when you want speed and efficiency. Rebuild when you need transformation and scale. The right answer is not one or the other. It's what aligns with your business goals. If you are evaluating your Oracle environment and not sure whether to upgrade or rebuild, we help organizations assess, plan, and execute modernization strategies with minimal risk. I am happy to walk you through a structured approach. Reach out or follow for more insights like this. Thank you.